Okay, welcome back. Part two, we're gonna make those burgers. Again, I'm making one bison burger and one ground beef burger. And we're gonna add the compound butter that we made in the last video. You ready to go? Part of the rock. Here we go. I'm gonna break out my Dalstrong knife. Very nice. This thing's super sharp and have 911 on standby. So what we're gonna do is cut a disc of this first. It's about a quarter to half an inch. Might be a little thick. Let me go a little thinner on this next one. I'm gonna cut 4, so I'll probably make it about 4 burgers. Okay, starting with the ground beef. Take a handful. I'm not measuring it. I'm not worried about my diet, obviously. So I'm gonna take just kind of join it together a little bit. It's probably a little too small. And join it together. We're gonna place a disc right in the middle. Like so. I'm gonna just surround that baby. Okay, first one. Patty is made. I'll make another one real quick and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Now for the bison, same thing. Bison's a totally different kind of meat, obviously. Pat it together nice and strong. Take another disc. Another disc. Place it right in the middle. And Django, the wonder dog, is waiting right next to me, waiting for just one piece of chopped meat to fall out. He's gonna have to wait. Do the same thing with chopped meat again. Maybe save a little bit for Django. It's the only time he's quiet is when there's food around. Another disc. Now again, I'm not going crazy with seasoning the meat. You know, you can, but I'm kind of doing a test here. I want to see how much flavor this compound butter disc will add to the burger without adding all the extra seasoning. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper, but besides that, I'm not really doing much to it. Again, feel free to add whatever you want to add. And one more bison. Okay, we got 2 of each. I also like to add a little bit of lime. A little bit of lime. Again, we get the salt and pepper. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is, if you don't have one of these, I love these things. Little hamburger patty maker. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna do is start with a bison burger. Place that in a patty maker. And simply press down. Oh, look at that patty. Is that beautiful? Is that beautiful? Make a grown man cry. Ooh. Might as well get both bisons out of the way. Another one goes in the patty. A little bit extra. And you won't be able to see this, but you could probably hear it off camera. Guarantee it doesn't hit the floor. It did hit the floor. And for those of you worrying, like, oh my God, did he just feed his dog raw ground beef? Yes, I did, and it's perfectly fine. Dogs are basically designed to eat raw meat. You shouldn't be giving all that processed food to them. But if you want to read up on that or ask me about it, I'll be glad to tell you. But when a wolf kills something in the wild, do you think they take it home and cook it? No. It may sit there for a couple of weeks too. Dogs are designed to eat raw meat. It's good for their immune system, but that's a whole nother topic. So he's fine. Don't worry about him. For this, I'll be using my All-Clad. Okay, gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Medium-high heat. Now what you want to watch for, you don't have a great angle here, but basically almost halfway up from the bottom, you'll start to see the meat start to cook. And it'll be raw on the top half. So you want to get almost up half. And we don't want to keep flipping it. You want to sear it good on one side, get the heat up about halfway, and then we're going to flip it. Alright, we're going to check the heat thermometer. Heat thermometer. Not even close. Okay, we're done. So I have the bison with cheddar and I have Swiss on the regular ground beef. What I did was I get these buns from Costco. They're really good. Put a little bit of cilantro on there and some more of the compound butter on top of this. As you can see, those are my hamburger buns. Okay, first the Swiss burger on the other. Now you could put lettuce and onion, all that stuff on it, but I just kind of want to just taste it just with the compound butter to see what kind of taste it is without adding onion and lettuce and pickles and tomatoes or whatever else, or mayo, which is disgusting. But let's see what it looks like. Ready for the reveal? Okay. This is the bison burger. You can see the butter just dripping out of it. And this is the ground beef burger. Butter dripping out. Gross. Okay, let's try the ground beef first. I'm drooling. There are no words. I'm speechless. It's delicious. Let's try the bison. Actually, that was the bison. The bison was delicious. Let's try the ground beef. No exaggeration. I'm not saying it because I'm the cook. Those are the best burgers I've ever had in my life. It's the compound butter. It's not that, no, because to me, anybody could have done this. And if you try this, tell me that's not the best you ever had. I can't even talk anymore. I have to go eat this.